I'm Jacob Kresge in McPherson, Kansas, and as you can tell, we have plenty of snow throughout the city. This is the scene of McPherson, Kansas, after 13 inches of snow, according to the National Weather Service. People are outside shoveling their driveways and trying to clear it off as the wind blows. The drifts were amazing, some even up to 5 foot, this one reaching my bedroom window. And they weren't small drifts either, they went all the way around. The drift in the backyard is just absolutely huge. That's probably half of the fence there. Hi. There's a drift in front of the door, good luck. Well, that's a small drift. The one next to it wasn't. This one was pretty big, and it was on the side of my neighbor's house. Drift throughout the house. Look how huge it is. Perfect snow angel weather.
This isn't a snow angel, it's called sleeping time. I'm tired.
But I wasn't the only person with snow drifts and snow. Do you know how big your drift is?
No, it was about 4 foot probably in front of the garage. You want to walk around and see?
Sure. It's so deep here, it's past my knees.
Wichita didn't get any snow in 2 inches.
We got 13 according to the weather service.
You are telling pride, boy.
What?
You are telling pride.
So now all that's left to do is shovel the driveways and wait for it to melt. In McPherson, Kansas, Jacob Kresge reporting.